Green juice. I have fresh green juice because I batch. So I'll make 4 of these, and then I'll do another juice and make 4 of those. And that way I only have to juice every 3 days. Cheers. Salud. Arriba. Abajo. And when I tell you this green juice hit the spot every time, boy, this green juice hit the spot every time. When you fill your body with nutrients, oh, it just feel like it goes to my face. It's just like I feel this glow, and it repairs everything up here from the head. It repairs, and then the tingling in my throat from the ginger down into my gut and my microbiome. It feels like it's just like a repair. The plant blood. Queen, have a drink with me.
Let's drink, Queen.
Plant blood. It goes straight to my blood, from the plants to my blood, this green juice. So I drink 1 of these todos los días, tous les jours, and I surely hope so, Queen. I thank you so much kindly if my body is going to heal because the way I treat it. I thank you so much kindly for that. The ginger helps with the inflammation, and that's what the herniated disc is. It's from the impact of it all and me being jerked forward and jerked back. It's just like they tensed up and they won't relax. So it's so much blood in there that it's inflamed, which is causing me the pain and the limited mobility. So once I started doubling up on the ginger, it's the ginger for me for real, as well as staying hydrated to help renew the cells and help them regenerate, that healing from the inside out, and just being more mindful with my movements, putting gratitude out there, thanking God for the range of motion, thanking God for all the small things. Being careful of what we spell. When I said September, step it up, September. The 7 is completion. I know this look like a 2 because this is my other hand, so it's a 7 for real. But that 7 is completion. Step it up. Complete those projects. And the full moon is loading on the 7th. The full moon on the 7th, Mercury the 7th. Oh my God. Complete those projects. Now is the time. We were coming into the end of the year. We have less than 120 days. How many cycles that is? 4 cycles. It's just so refreshing. It's just so refreshing. It's just so refreshing. I have to dance every time I drink this juice. I have to dance. And with my favorite color being green, I wasn't sure if I was going to love green juice until I started juicing. Until I started juicing the green juice on my own. And then I fell in love with the green juice. So now it is one of my top favorites. So I'm sorry. I sip and I dance, and I sip and I do a little shimmy because it is quite refreshing and rejuvenating.